Hey guys, welcome to Happy Coding for Everyone channel. What will you learn from this video? Carousel Slider. Let's start coding. I added 3 different background images in our images folder. You can download those images from resources. We will use that images in our project. Let me close that section. Let's create our first div. Let me add ID, carousel example captions, and let's add our class name, Carousel Slide. Let me get it down and data write carousel. And I need to use OL tag for this example. Let's add class name, carousel indicators. And let's add our allies with class name first one active. And I need to add data target. I'm going to use same name and let me get it down, and I need to add data slide too to determine order of slides, and let me get it up, and let me copy and paste 2 more times. We don't need active class for 2 of them, and let's make it that one 1 and that one 2. And let's create another div with class name carousel inner. And we need to create another div with carousel item. Let's make it that one active. And we need to add image. We are going to use the images 1.jpg, and let's add class name the block v100. I want to add some text on our images. I need to create another div. I need to add couple of more class names, display none and the MD block. Let's add a title, let's say H5, and first slide label. And let's add a paragraph. We can make it strong if you want. Lorem, let's say 20. And I want to copy that one and paste 2 more times. And let's change images to, and that one is second, and that one is 3, and that one is third. And lastly, we need to activate our next and previous arrows. I need to create a tag. I need to use same name, carousel example captation, and roll button and data slide preview. And let's close. And we need to add 2 span, class name carousel control preview icon, and area hidden true. And let me create second font, previous, and our class name is visually hidden. And also we need to add a class for our A tag. Let me get it down. And let's type our class name here. Carousel control true. Let's copy and paste one more time. We need to make that one next, and then that one next, and that one next, and that one also next. Let's have a look at our slides one more time. This is our third one, and that one is second one, and that one is our first slide. But we don't need to use active for that one because first one already active. So yeah, we need to remove that active class name from here too. And all looks great. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, we see our images. We see our label. Let's click that one, second one, and that one is third one. We can also click that arrows too. We will use all those examples in our future projects. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching it. See you in the next video.